How do you make a WordPress menu link open in a new browser tab when it's clicked? I'm Emily Journey, and I can help you figure that out. Okay, you're in your WordPress dashboard. You hover over Appearance and you click on Menus. That brings you here to your WordPress menu editing page. Okay, so I have 3 items in my main menu, my groovy main menu: Home, Contact Us, and Visit My eBay page. So when someone clicks Visit My eBay page, they're going to be leaving my website and going to a different website. So that's the reason behind why you would want to have a menu link open in a new browser tab, is because for whatever reason, that link needs to go away from your website. And that's fairly common. It's usually with donation pages, event registration pages, calendars, membership portals. You may even own the second website, but the link is opening in a different website than the one that they're currently on. So the best practice is to have that menu link open in a new browser tab. So we're here, we go to edit this link because this is going to my eBay page, and I don't have an eBay page, but just for purposes of showing you how this works, I entered ebay.com as the URL. Now, I don't see any option here for opening this link in a new page, and this is where I should see it. So how do we get this to show up, the option to show up? In the upper right corner, there's a tab called Screen Options. If you click on Screen Options, then you'll see some check boxes here. You want to check the box called Link Target. That's considered an advanced menu property in WordPress, and so if you click Link Target, and then click Screen Options again, and then all of a sudden this shows up. This wasn't here before, I promise. So it says Open Link in New Tab. Check that box, and then the link will open, and then save, and then the link will open in a new tab when it's clicked. So that's what was missing, and that it doesn't show by default this option to open the link in a new tab. But now that I've turned that visibility on by clicking the box called Link Target, that option will show up in all of my menu items. And it's just this last one that I have that checked. So the other 2 menu items will behave normally. This third item, when it's clicked, it will open in a new tab. Okay, hopefully that helps. I'm Emily Journey. Stick with me, and we'll take small steps towards your WordPress success.